exploring my boyfriend's insane and diverse record collection, day 190. Today we will listen to Explosions in the Sky and I'm a big fan of Explosions in the Sky. This album has a strong cinematic feel. It's very emotional with huge crescendos. Whilst this album is not a soundtrack, it very well could be. And it's up there with one of their best. I've seen them live and they were incredible. I rate this album 8.6 out of 10. My favorite songs were Moving On and All Mountains. What's your favorite Explosions in the Sky album?